My name is Mahdi. I am a councillor in Masaid, and I have come here to Qadiriya Jilani Mosque to see the food provision that's going on in this mosque. It's absolutely fantastic to see the mosque organising such a great initiative in supporting people who are facing difficulties because of the current situation that we have found ourselves in. It's fantastic to see. When I was coming in, I saw queues of people who would be getting food from here. This is absolutely fantastic. Something that us councillors, and I'm sure councillors both in this ward and across Manchester will support. This is absolutely fantastic. It's really good, and I'm really good to see what's happening in this mosque.